Hi, it's Al from HeyOk Performance. I wanted to show you a new light controller I've made. It's to work with a Traxxas TRX4M. So this one has a set of LEDs inside that connect to the factory receiver speed control. It's all in one unit. The lighting just plugs in off this one plug. It works the headlights and taillights and marker lights. They're all integrated in here really nicely. But, all those lights work mysteriously through this one 3-wire plug. So I've decoded how it works, and I've made my own controller so that you can upgrade your speed control and receiver, run something different, and still have working lights. This little controller plugs in between the receiver and the speed control. The lights plug in here. This arrangement is a light sensor, so it'll automatically turn on the headlights when it gets dark. I've got the new controller hooked up to the body with the lights built in. This is plugged in my servo tester. I'll just turn it on. You're going to see the lights flash, just to kind of let you know that they're working. You can see the headlights here. I'll cover up the sensor. The headlights turn on. Now there's a pot on here. It will let you set how much light is required to turn on the light. So if it's coming on too soon, you can adjust it and make it come on when it gets brighter or darker, up to you. So right now you see the hazard lights are flashing. Brakes are on for 15 seconds. It starts the 4-way flashers. If I were to accelerate or reverse, the hazard lights turn off. Let's get a look from the back. So we've got dim tail lights happening. There's what the brake lights look like. The dim tail lights, because we're moving forward. Okay, back to stop. And now we're going to go in reverse. Got the white reverse lights on. And we'll just wait a moment and you'll see the hazard lights come on. I'll probably fast forward through this. There they go, hazard lights are happening. You can kind of see the reflection off the wall for the front ones. And there's the headlights. Well, that's about it. There's a white wire loop here and an orange wire loop. So on your system, if you notice that the reverse lights are turning on when you go forward, you just cut this white wire loop. That'll reverse it, the operation of the lights. And if you decide you don't like the hazard lights, just cut the orange wire loop. You won't get hazard lights anymore. Thanks for having a look.